How to customize the mouse pointer corner actions on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Now in the settings page, scroll down, then tap on accessibility. Next, tap on interaction and dexterity. Then we go down and then tap on auto action after pointer stops. In here, scroll down to the corner actions section, and in here you can set the top left, top right, bottom left, and bottom right. So let's first tap on top left. So that's the top left right here. So at the moment it has been assigned to open or close notifications. So here if I tap on that will open up notifications, or if I go to that corner, it will close. You can assign multiple shortcuts to the top left. If you do that, then it will instead perform an action. It will open up a menu. From the menu, you can then choose which one to use. So here we've got media volume up or media volume down, or you can choose open or close notifications. And if there's only one item selected, then it will immediately execute that action. And there it is. So it will immediately press on the volume down action. And that's it. So if I want, I can assign take screenshot. So if I move to the top left corner, it will take a screenshot. Now you can do that same, you can assign that same shortcuts to other corners. So we've got the top right corner, bottom left, and bottom right. So top right, I have assigned recent. You can also assign the back. So if I go to the top right, I can choose open recent or go to the back previous screens. Again, you can do that to the, you can assign a shortcut to the bottom left and bottom right. And that's it. Here you can change the delay time before your mouse pointer take action. And here it's set to 600 milliseconds by default. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button or click on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.